An apple a day keeps the doctor away. But what about eggs? Eggs are a great source of protein and perfect for a balanced diet. But the yolks do contain high amounts of cholesterol, which is approximately 200 milligrams per egg. For most diets, it's recommended to have no more than 300 milligrams of cholesterol per day. This means that you shouldn't be going on an all-egg diet anytime soon. However, just because you can't eat too many doesn't mean you should cut out eggs completely. Eggs aren't only a go-to for protein, but they are also filled with vitamin D, iron, and other helpful nutrients. The average healthy adult can have 1 to 2 eggs a day and be completely fine. That is, assuming you're not piling up on cholesterol elsewhere. If you already have high cholesterol, though, it's best to limit yourself to a maximum of 4 to 5 eggs a week. That way, you won't be at higher risk of heart disease. But realistically, everything is dependent on your own genetic history, body, and other personal factors. To stay on the safer side, speak with your doctor, dietitian, or another healthcare professional if you're looking to up the egg intake. If you do want to have a few more eggs than usual, though, consider ditching the egg yolk. That way, you'll lower the amount of cholesterol you're eating. That being said, most of the nutrients are in the yolk, so you might be missing out, but at least you'll be able to have some extra eggs for breakfast.